Excellency, Honorable Abike Dabiri,
please, let's take note that, please, let's make questions, please, because of our time. 2 minutes we have, please.
Your Excellency, the SSA to the President of Foreign Affairs and the Diasporas, and all other protocols will please permit me to stand on existing protocols. Thank you. As you guys would see, I was so determined to ask this question because it's been burning so much in my heart that I don't want to miss an opportunity to ask this question. Before I proceed with this question, I want to make a remark on what the Honorable said about remittances to Nigeria. And my own economics seems to be in opposite direction with what the federal government currently is doing. Because as far as I'm concerned, an incoming income is an incoming income. And so whether it came from the official or unofficial, money remitted by Nigerians from overseas to Nigeria is money remitted to Nigeria is into our positive column. And so finding restricting us is really forcing Nigerians to go back from sending money back to Nigeria. So bring this message back to the government in Nigeria. Let's go to my question. Honorable.
I think that's question number 1.
Sorry?
That's a question, so I think that question.
Okay. Okay, so now my focus question is this. And I'm going to give you a little background. Many Nigerian newspapers have reported in recent times the gruesome killing of unarmed pro-Biafran agitators by Nigerian security agencies in Anambra State, Imo, Enugu, Adi, Bayelsa, Rivers, and Cross River States. The most recent being the massacre of pro-Biafran protesters, mainly from the IPOB and MASA on May 30th, while they were marking the Biafra Day Memorial in our nation. Human rights groups in Nigeria, including in and outside of Nigeria, including the CD in Nigeria and Amnesty International, report that up to 300 unarmed Igbo youth have been killed in Nigeria between May 29, 2015 and the 30th of 2016. It is also on record from what we know that the leader of this group, that is the IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, is being currently unlawfully detained by the Nigerian government after having been granted bail by competent Nigerian courts. In view of all these happenings in Nigeria, an American, a non-Nigerian, an American congressman, Tom Marino, recently wrote a letter to his Secretary of State outlining or describing all the atrocities the government has committed. Or if I would say...
Please, just go straight to the
Well, that's his question. Let him ask this question. That's his question. Let him ask this question.
The preamble. More than 2 minutes already.
No, that's
get
okay.
a preamble to that question.
That's not okay. You need to understand it. Allow him to ask his question.
Gentlemen, the more we discuss, he will have finished his question, so let's allow the person to
Very good, very
Thank
good.
you very much.
This is an important question.
Okay.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. The U.S. congressman also suggested that the U.S. government should withhold all security assistance to Nigeria until this government demonstrates commitment and becomes accountable not only to the world but to the people of Nigeria. My question, Honorable, I do know with all due respect, and I respect the job you've been doing for the Nigerians in the diaspora, from your time as the House Committee Chairman on the diasporas, that you have put yourself in the service of the Nigerian people with all your heart. When we put these questions, we put them with due hope that you will bring them to where they should hear them. The question we ask is this: what is your government doing currently? One, to stop all these senseless killings of our youth. They are the future of our tomorrow. Number two, is there any plan by your government to to ensure Nigerian unity with the way the things are going and restructure the country. And finally, how do you or the government really characterize its actions and inactions towards all these killings that in parts of this part of the world that we are in would have been more democratically and civilly resolved? Thank you.